What are we fixing today? Well, today I realized my laptop that I do most of my video editing on has a spacebar that is CRAP crap. You can push on it and push on it and push on it, and then you get 3. And you push on it and push on it, and you get nothing and nothing, and then you get 1. I'm like, okay, delete. Okay, so today, well, 2 days ago, thanks to my favorite store, Amazon, I bought a keyboard, and this happened to be a returned item, so it was like $9. So if you've got a keyboard on your laptop and it's making you crazy, I'm going to show you how to fix it. And for $9 and 10 minutes, anybody can do this. Let me show you. Okay, this is the laptop that's acting up. Let's see, it's a laptop. Making me nuts. Whenever you hit this key, it not only doesn't want to equally space down correctly, but if we look at it, I had this part. That's probably why it doesn't equally space down. If you look at it, hope you can see this. This is where it. See how that, that's not supposed to be like that. Let me take off another one. Show you how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be solid on the top, so that when it goes down evenly. Well, this one's broke, so garbage. I got a new one, and like I said, this is an open box. But you know what? It looks like it's a new box. I think somebody tried it and it didn't go. So if you look at this, what you got going on here is some bumps. Well, that side has holes, but this side has bumps. And I'm pretty sure all you got to do is come in here and pry this out and pop it out. And should be able to get it apart. So let's see. Since I don't really care if I break this one, it isn't going to bother me. Where's the ribbon cable? I don't see it yet. I think if I get this up in like that, it'll pop out of there pretty nice. This one's garbage. I don't really care if I break it, so. Okay, here's the little clip, and I think if you, let's get to it later. Thing is, with all the torquing I'm doing with this, it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get it in from this side. But oh, I think I was supposed to lift this or something. Kind of pulled out. Yeah, definitely not saving that. So I just want to, this is where this kind of goes. I just want to put this back in and make sure it just goes. I think this is supposed to pull up or something. Give it a try this way. See? You pull that forward a little bit. Oh, I bet this goes in there. Huh? Yep. Then this goes in there. And then you push it back. And that makes it tight. Okay. So to get it out, what you're supposed to do is do this, not this kind of yank on it like I did. Go like that. And then it comes right out. Okay. Now, I want to get this one in there without destroying the world. I think I'm going to have to go like this and then snap it down. So, that's pulled out. Slide this in. Do 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 do. Oh, careful! I don't get a YouTube strike. Even though I'm making up my own song. This has to go underneath there. There we go. That's in. Push it down. Looks like it's in okay. That's going to lay flat. That's fine. I think this has to go down in there. There it is. Some junk. I bet you this just pushes right down. Like so. Cross your fingers, cross your fingers, cross your fingers. Let's see. Place your bets, folks. Place your bets. All right, let's see if it works. Hey, look at that, I got keys. Spacebar is what I didn't like before, so let me just try to go to... Mouse still works. Let's just bring up a text editor. Libra... Where's it? Word here. Libra Word. Okay. Now is the time when all good and SHOUL should come. Aid of to quote a famous speech, I got spaces. Well, it almost spelled right. Okay, it's as easy as that. I've never done it before, but I did know that if you come from the other side, because they added a hard drive to that one, when you come from the other side, the motherboard is up there and you couldn't really see the keyboard. So I figured this must be the way it is. And I didn't even watch anybody else's YouTube to do this. So, you know, that's cool. Anybody can do this. So if you have a screwy keyboard, or it's worn out, or it's ugly, or you want one that's in French, or maybe you can find a pink one online and you want a pink keyboard, that'd be awesome. This one cost me $10 and 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please hit like if you like, or if I'm even minimally entertaining, whatever. Yeah, I did cut my beard. My wife got after me. I'm sorry. I like the big shaggy beard, but wasn't for me. So, wasn't in my cards. It's for me, but not in my cards. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.